Y'all already know, boy. Just showing out here, even all day. Back in the hood with my dogs, home team. He done heard some real shit. Y'all about to see it in a minute. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna let him go ahead and take it off. Take off, boy. What up, boy?
I ain't nothing, my nigga. It been chilling, my nigga. Everybody slept on me, but I'm about to wake your ass up this season, though, you know. But E1 is what I love and what I'm always go hard for. No matter what the situation may be and what it may cost.
You already know.
You know what I'm saying? So with this right here, I'm gonna keep it on some old real type of life right now. You know, everything ain't what it seems to be out here. So take it as a day and scribe with it. Every day, just make every second count to you. Waste time, cause time ain't waiting on no man. You hit me?
That what it is. You all day.
On that other tip though, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of other things and stuff that what we got coming up soon. So we want y'all to check that out for 2015. You know what I'm saying? Dealing with E1U. You know what I'm saying? We got a couple new Mo brothers and stuff that we're gonna bring to the table as well. You know.
That what it is.
We're gonna be introduced as well.
Gonna put them on.
Telling them stuff about themselves and what mean most to them and what they looking for to get up out of it and you know.
All that good stuff.
Positive thing.
You already know.
Well, let them know.
Wanna take off?
Yeah. What up, man? My name is Lil CJ. You already know.
Yeah.
Man, I'm looking forward. You feel me? Well, first, shout out to E1, man.
That what it is.
You feel me? Education first. Striving for something good, you feel me? But on the other tip, I'm striving for this rap game, trying to help all of us come up as a family, you feel me? Eat together, get these millions up, you feel me? And just keep giving these people what they want.
That what it is.
On the other hand, you feel me? Yeah, stay positive, my nigga. Don't never let a nigga tell you can't do something.
That what it is. Okay.
Shit, my name Lil Chris, man. Shout out to E1.
You know.
Trying to do this rap shit, get this money, man.
Straight like that. Straight like that? That what it is. Well, y'all already know what I'm about, so we gonna see what these boys gonna be about in a little while, and then we gonna go from there. My dog Big Snake, you already know out here in the hood representing. Get these boys in the studio and take off, you know what I mean? January 18th, we gonna take off with the T-Town Got Talent. Y'all know what time it is. We gonna put something out there, let these boys see what y'all about. And E1 all day, we out, nigga.
Yeah, man, we ain't out yet.
Oh.
As soon as y'all thought we was out, that's where I come back in.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my trap boys and stuff, you know what I'm saying? TTB as well, you know what I'm saying? Free all my boys that don't feel short, you know what I'm saying? Get them boys the strength to hold on and continue moving on. Let them know that, you know, a fall on to make you strong.
That what it is.
Keep their head positive, my nigga, and always feed them the right thing. Don't tell them nothing that what they don't need to know. Just always tell them things that what should take them along and continue scribing for that.
Yeah.
Shout out to them boys, though.
That what it is. You want to shout out to them? I heard
man,
you.
Shout out to the foe, man. Free my brother, you already know. Keep your head up, nigga. I know you ain't not doing good. Free all the other boys, you feel me? Shout out to them foe boys. You out here getting that money, you already know.
That what it is.
Shout out to Scully.
That what it is.
Shout out to all my Scully niggas, man. All my 400 niggas, man. Free my brother Ted, man. You coming home soon, straight like that.
That what it is. We out here in these streets. You already know. E1 all day. Yeah.